Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete close friends on Instagram highlights. Highlights on Instagram allows you to save old stories right on your profile. But it could be that you have shared stories with the close friends and then you want it to be available in highlights for all the people. So be sure this video to the very end and you wouldn't make any mistakes at that process. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you have opened your Instagram app, just hit add to your profile picture to open up your profile, and then you can just hit add some of your highlights, which includes stories you shared just with close friends. I got some, so I can tap right here. As you can see, there is that green star icon. I can tap on that. At the top it says close friends, and just one person is checkmarked here. That means that only that user allowed to see that story. And if you want to make that highlight story public, you can just hit add select all to checkmark all the users in that list, and then just hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.